Okay, you were asked to solve these problems from Unit 2, Lesson 1. These are two-step equations. And first, you were to find the variable term. So you do that with a VT, variable term, constant and constant. Then second, after you find the variable term, you do the additive inverse. And then third, you do the multiplicative inverse. So what does that look like? It looks like this. We find the variable term, vertical line separating the left side and the right side, the add line, additive inverse, negative 10 equals 1/2 a. And then multiplicative inverse, we multiply the 1/2 a times the reciprocal, 2/1. So that's how you solve problem number 1. You get your 1a equals negative 20. Same thing, variable term, constant, constant, vertical line, addition line. You could go through this and do this for all the problems. Constant, sorry. And then you do additive inverse on the variable term side, subtract 2, negative 21, slash your additive inverse. Bring the things down that are not affected. This is an integer, so you can divide by negative 3. And you get your 7 equals x. Same thing. Vertical line. The variable term's on the left, so we want to get rid of the constant. We subtract 10. The addition line goes under the terms, slash negative 2/3 p equals 52 minus 10 is 42. Now we're going to multiply by negative 3/2. That's the coefficient is flipped over. That's the reciprocal. We do it, whatever we do to the left, we do to the right. We have our p, we have our equals, and do a little cross canceling. 2 goes into 2 once, into 42 21 times. 21 times negative 3 is negative 63. Here we're going to do the same thing. Last problem, vertical line, addition line. You found the variable term. You're getting rid of the constant by adding 2. Remember we talked about writing this as 1n over negative 3. We can write it as a fraction. Negative 1/3 times n, slash the additive inverse, negative 16, negative 18 plus 2. And then we are multiplying times negative 3/1. And we get our n equals negative 16 times negative 3 is positive 48/1. We don't write it over 1. And we are done.